What's up, y'all? It's Mariah Elise, and I'm back with another banger. Now, today will be a continuation from last week's video, so if you have not seen my first twist out on my big chop, go ahead and watch that video before you start this one. Now, this is day 2 or 3 of my twist out. I am picking it out, no water added, and I don't know if you can see my curls, but they're still popping. The only thing is my part is gone and my edges are no longer laid, but basically all I do is sleep with the bonnet and pick it out the next morning. I do this technique for the first 1 to 3 days of each style. I call it the pick and go. I wake up, though my hair is flat, my coils are still defined from the twist out, so I just pick my roots and go. Okay, so it is day 4, and I could probably still pick it out. I'm not gonna lie, I could pick it out again. It didn't honestly flatten that hard. It's definitely, in my opinion, time to go ahead and spritz it with water. Usually I would rinse it. I put my head back under in the shower and let the cooler water just kind of refresh my curls and add a little more water to it to get it shining. But I showered last night, so I'm gonna do it with a spray bottle this morning. And then I'm just going to circle it around with my hands. Then I'll go in with the pick and start picking the roots out just to give it a little more volume. As y'all can see, my part it's gone. It was gone by like a day ago. Then I'm gonna follow up with a little castor oil. Just kind of a light layer. Lock or seal in the water I just added on. Nothing too much because I don't wanna brush my curls out or anything. Just something to give it a little shine. So here we are. And the key is you don't want to add too much water because you don't want to lift up any of the product from the initial twist out. And this is what we're looking like right now. The curls are still defined, but not day 1 defined. Now the last thing I do want to do is my edges because I got somewhere to go today. I didn't redo my edges these past 3 or 4 days. So midway through the style is when I will do the edges again unless I want to do them every day. But you get the gist. This is what the curls are looking like. I'm gonna let these dry for another maybe 5 minutes and then pull them off on the way to work, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Okay, so this is the last day. I just got out of the shower, ran my head underneath, and this is what the curls are looking like. You can definitely see the product that's in my hair. And I just go around and pick. Literally, same technique all week long, whether it's with the spray bottle, with the shower, or none. All I do is pick out my hair, and the curls, the coils, they're still intact. My hair is a lot softer. This is a whole week later, so it is definitely time for me to do my weekly wash and restyle. So I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully this gave you insight on how I maintain my TWA, whether it's a wash and go, whether it's a twist out. That's how I maintain the style throughout the week. Granted, it's not the tightly coiled curl twist out that I had on day 1, but if I were to relay my edges and probably throw a part in, it would look equivalent to what my old wash and goes used to look like. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and start my wash day for this week, and I will catch y'all in the next one.